right, so tell me about the day. How did it go?
It was long, tiring, hard work.
Was it harder than you thought?
Oh yeah, big time.
And what was the hardest part?
Climbing up the mountains and all the steps that we had to do.
Go, camera, go!
God damn it. Well, we woke up this morning at 5:30, but crack of dawn.
What's the first mountain that we went up? Hard. No, that was difficult.
I don't know if there was there. We went up a mountain.
As long as you have a buddy and you're talking, even though it's hard to talk when you're up this high.
It makes it so much easier.
Yeah.
So anytime anyone was slowing down, we never left anyone behind. There was always someone with someone, and even then it was, come on, you can do this, it's good to go, we can do this.
How do you feel?
Yeah, definitely like those last few steps when we looked down, I was pretty
forget
impressed.
about all the pain.
Yeah, you really do. But then about a minute after that we started trekking again.
What was the hardest part?
Definitely the second pass, because that's when my calves really cramped up and it was just hard for me to keep going. And I just couldn't take it anymore and I started crying.
So there were definitely some times where I thought, God, this is tough. We might not be able to make it all the way down.
So was it worth it after all that pain?
When we got to the top, yes, it was worth it.
We got to have breakfast and say goodbye to the horsemen, cooks, and assistant cooks, and had a little speech prepared and everything.
Yeah, it was pretty easy. It was all downhill, so it was mostly sightseeing and seeing the locals and how they farm or herd their sheep.
Way up in the mountains. It's crazy. It wasn't too much of a demanding day, but our muscles are sore. And then we also got to relax in the hot springs, which was really nice.
What does it make you think of when you see Machu Picchu?
Makes me think of the ancient civilizations of the Incas, and it's just amazing that we get to see this.
And then why did you decide to come on this trip?
Something like for myself, like I need to find something about myself. I need to discover myself, because like what they said, like you discover yourself in Peru. Yeah.
Okay, last question. So what did you learn from this trek? Anything about yourself or?
I learned like majority of anything physical is mind over matter. Like if you're telling yourself you can't do it, you will stop and you will take a huge break that is totally unnecessary. But if you tell yourself that you can do it, like it's amazing what your body can do.
Pretty much push through anything, even when you feel like giving up. When the trek got really hard, everyone was really slowing down. Just thought we were gonna stop there, but we just kept going and we finally made it.
Yeah.
It feels so good.
Yeah, it was really rewarding and just learn how to just work as a team all together and everything.
It kind of made me think about a few things and just kind of put a few things into perspective. I feel like that if I can put one foot in front of the other up a mountain, I feel like I can do anything.